Hi, I'm Jeff Franklin with FC Tucker Realtors, jeffsells.com. Today we're going to be touring one of my favorite neighborhoods, 2301 Woodstock Place. Woodstock is located near Indiana University, College Mall, and all of Bloomington's fun cultural activities. Let's take a look. Beautiful setting has a lovely backyard that's almost a half of an acre, which is almost unheard of on this part of town. Plus, this screened patio provides outdoor living space 3 seasons of the year. This colonial plan has beautiful formal entertaining spaces, has a wood-burning fireplace in the living room and in a family room, formal dining room, and has a nice circular plan for large groups or small gatherings. Beautiful hardwood conveyed through this part of the home. There's a gorgeous natural cherry cabinetry plus some updated appliances with access to the breakfast room and this really wonderful keeping room with a large wood-burning fireplace and skylights. And this also accesses to the screened-in patio. The suite of this Dutch colonial runs the entire width of the house. It includes an enormous walk-in closet in the front with dormer space, as well as another walk-in closet in the master bathroom. Sun-filled lower level of this finished basement is fantastic recreation space, plus there's a wet bar and there's a full bath on this level. Thanks for touring my video open house today. Again, I'm Jeff Franklin with FC Tucker Realtors. This video open house and many others are featured on my website, jeffsells.com. Feel free to call me 812-360-5333 for a personal tour.